Imagine making up to 270 an hour without even leaving your home, whether you are a doctor, a gamer, or just good at your favorite hobby. In this video, I'll show you 5 insane remote jobs that pays between $45 and $270 per hour, and some don't even require a degree. These are real jobs from real companies, and yes, they are hiring right now. Welcome back everyone to the channel. If you are looking for real online jobs you can do from home, you are in the right place. I also run a Telegram group where I post daily job updates and even help you apply. The link is in the description below. So the first one is Dermatologist, and this one pays $270 per hour. It's one of the highest paying job, and it's for medical professionals out there. So they are hiring licensed dermatologists to label clinical images for AI training, and you'll be reviewing high-res images of skin condition and labeling them using professional medical terminology. Okay, so here are the responsibilities, and another thing, you must be a US licensed MD with at least 5 years in practice. So make sure if you are applying for this one, you need to have a proxy, a strong proxy, and then the job you can work at your own time, and it pays really high. It pays a stunning of $270 per hour. Minimum weekly commitment is 25 hours, and the project runs through September 2025. If you're a medical professional looking for remote flexibility, this one is gold for you. The second one is finance expert, and this one pays well. They pay well. You can see they're paying up to $150 per hour. So their starting pay rate is $150 per hour, and they're hiring finance expert for an AI research project. Okay, so you'll be analyzing transactions like A and M&A deals, private equity or venture capital models. So you'll need 2+ years of experience in top tier finance firms and technical knowledge in accounting and modeling. And the other thing is it's fully remote, minimum 20 hours per week, and you will be paid $150 per hour. So there's a simple interview process, a quick chat, a technical test, and a paid modeling assessment. Perfect for anyone in finance looking to work flexible hours while still earning big. The third one is software engineering, and this one pays $40 to $70 per hour. So if you're looking into coding and AI, this role is all about evaluating LLM generated code. So you'll be writing assessment guidelines and checking the quality of AI generated programs. So you need a CS degree from a top US, UK, or Canadian school, and at least 2 years of experience. And then pay ranges from $60 to $90 per hour, depending on your skills. And you will be working 10 to 40 hours per week, and there's a 15 minutes test before selection. And if you are passionate about AI and code quality, this one's a great pick. So guys, the fourth one is hobbyist expert, and this one they pay really well, $50 per hour. And now this one is for the people who thought there's no way my love for gaming or cooking could ever pay bills. Think again. They are hiring people with deep passion and expertise in hobbies like video games, fashion, sports, or cooking. So you'll just need to have 1000 plus hours in your hobby, strong writing skills, and be located in US, UK, or Canada. So you need to have a proxy for those regions if you're not from those places, okay? And then it pays $50 per hour, and you can work between 10 to 40 hours per week, okay? And if you've written blog posts or made YouTube videos about your passion, you'll stand out. There's an AI interview and vetting process, but if you love your hobby, this is a dream gig. The last one is advanced physics expert. So if you have a master's or PhD in physics, this is your moment. You'll be creating and validating physics questions for undergraduates. It's about real-world application, not just textbook problems. So you will scale difficulty, test problem-solving ability, and ensure every question makes students think. The job pays $45 per hour, and you'll work independently and completing a 5-minute AI vetting quiz. If you are into mechanics, quantum physics, this job will be a perfect match.